Hey nerds, Bevan here. Welcome back to my channel. It is a glorious Sunday fun day outside. Look how nice it is. We were very afraid we were going to have winter here right away. It snowed last weekend, just a little bit, but we're okay now. But today is Sunday. It is also the day of the Regina Retro Game and Toy Show, which is one of my favorite little events that Regina has. I vlogged the one back they had, I think it was in springtime, April or May or something like that. It's a good little show. I know a lot of the vendors, so hopefully we find some cool stuff. Not really after anything specific that I want to buy, but there's some things that I hope to see. Like I want to see Street Sharks, and I want to see like some NECA horror stuff, like a Freddy or a Jason or something like that. I've got some cash. I have to buy some comic books from Matt, who is my comic hookup. So that's like half the budget already. But like, I don't know. I don't expect to see a ton of toys that I want, but I'm really going to just like talk to some people and look at some stuff, get some footage, and hopefully walk away with some cool stuff. Let's go to the toy show. So we're a couple blocks away from the toy show and we're stuck behind a train. Regina is notorious for their horrible train schedule. So here we are. It's friggin' 12:15, and downtown traffic is now backlogged because of a train.
And then just look around. I know you can buy. Just look around for a couple days.
Holy shit, guys, it is so busy in this tiny little ballroom. I had to take a break and come out to my car and put some stuff in there. I picked up my comics from Matt, so it gave me an excuse to come out to my car for a little break. You can't even move in there. I can see like from a distance on the tables there's stuff that I want, but I can't even get to the tables to like look at it. So taking a quick breather here, show you the comics that I got and then head back in. Okay, so we got the Batman Last Night on Earth book 1. I have number 2, so I got this so I could read that series. We got X Factor number 1, which is just a Beast cover that I kind of liked. I don't know if I'll actually keep this or not. X23 number 10. I'm looking to do this whole run, which is only, I think, 12 or 15 issues, so that should be pretty easy to do. I got this Battle Lines Carnage, which I think is like Venom issue 14 or something like that. It's friggin' rad. Got this Battle Lines Hulkbuster. I have no idea what series or issue this is, but it's friggin' awesome. Got this X-Men, Dark X-Men: The Confession number 1. I only got it because it's like that era of X-Men that I love. The Cyclops here, Emma Frost. I don't really have any specific need for this at all, but you know. And then the main event for me is this Battle Line Spider-Gwen. I will buy anything Spider-Gwen. There's some pretty good variants in there right now that I might want to look at picking up, but I'm mostly here for toys, but we'll see what happens. Heading back in now, round 2. Hopefully it's cleared out a little bit.
Let's go, sir. Good.
Well, locked my keys in my trunk, so I got that going for me. Shout out to Roadside Ford Assistance for giving me the hookup on unlocking my car. Guy's gonna be here in about an hour, which means I'm gonna go buy some toys. Well, just sitting here, waiting for my car now, waiting for a locksmith coming to open my trunk. Here's some photographic evidence that I'm an idiot. Yeah, there's my keys under my stack of comic books. As you can see, I am now back in my car with my keys. I'm just warming up because I was out in the wind for about 15 minutes. But yeah, we're gonna go buy some toys! 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 I apologize to all the people who thought they'd see a lot of toys in this video. Not much I can do about it, sorry guys.
maybe they'll give you a refill. Thanks. No ice.
How much do you think it's worth? Well, I know the number I have. Well, finally leaving. Been here for about 3 hours. I only stuck around so long because they were doing the raffle draw, which I didn't win anything on. They picked a ticket, 3 up from mine, so I was pretty choked about that. But they had some good prizes, so it's good stuff. Did walk out with one more thing. Pennywise from It 2017, which is one of my favorite horror movies of all time. Show it to you in the car. Okay, so here it is. Right there. That's my shit. It's missing the sailboat, which is not a big deal to me, because I'm just gonna have them like this with the balloon, getting all creepy like. Maybe I'm gonna watch this movie tonight. That's oh yeah, sticker price 40, got it for 32 because that's all I had on me. And then he also gave me a keychain. Michael Myers keychain on the back is this creepy thing from, I don't know, I have no idea. This is pretty cool, I like that. I'll throw that on the keychain here for the month of October! My eyebrow's doing. Anyway, it was a weird day, guys. It was a weird day. It was stressful because of my key situation, but luckily that got sorted out. The show was... next time they run the show, they gotta get a bigger venue because it was way too many people in this tiny space. Like the entire time, like it barely cleared out in the 3 hours I was here, or 2.5 hours, I guess. But like I'm flush, my face is warm, but I got some good comic books. I got a cool toy. I'm happy with how the day went overall. But now I'm gonna get some food and go home and see Alicia, and figure out what I'm doing for the rest of the afternoon. If you like toy shows, hit that like button. Comment below your most recent pickup, whether it's comics or collectibles, doesn't matter, just comment below. Hit that like video, hit that like button if you like the video. You know what I meant. Come on, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, that's how it goes. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at BevanBoychuk. And until next time, folks, I will see you next time, folks.